Hello Internet, welcome to Jamiljiral. I am Jamil Silva and today I'm going to talk about the Grip Meike. This grip is for Nikon D750. This is an alternative grip. It's cheaper than the original and it's quite interesting. Well, in the box we have the grip, we have this for the battery, and we also have this part for the small batteries AA. If the original battery runs off, you can use small batteries, actually 6 batteries in this pack. So this operation is quite simple. It also comes with a remote control, and we're going to talk about it in a second. Well, let's first of all assemble the battery in this part. This click means that it's ready to go. You insert the battery in the grip and you turn this button. Now it's locked. Now let's insert in the camera, which is very simple. You will take it out as protection for the connectors, and now let's grab the camera. The camera is off. It's better be off before you insert the grip. You're going to take this plastic out in order to connect to the parts. Now, once it's out, it's very simple. You just place them in order, and there is a button here. You're gonna go clockwise, and then while you do that, you're gonna see a light in the camera that will turn on when the connection is ready to go. Let's turn it clockwise until you see a light in here. When you see the light, it means that it's going to be ready. And the light is on. Now the connection with the camera and the grip is ready. Okay, the grip now is set, and now you can use the camera the way you like it, in a horizontal or vertical position, and it's done. It comes locked. To unlock it, you just there are 2 white dots and you place them together. That's how you unlock it. Let's turn on the camera. Camera is on now. Here we have the same controls you'd have in the vertical position. Here you can we have the button to change here. Here you have the joystick here, and here we have the A lock or AF lock. I configure it to use it to focus the camera. It's a back button focus. I'm going to press it, you're going to listen to the camera trying to focus. I don't know if you could listen to it, but I configure it. You can configure it to do something else, but for me I like to use the back button here, or either here in the grip. And the joystick this little joystick is really good. You can also assemble it in a tripod. It's very good. And now let's turn off the camera. Camera is off. Now about the remote control. The remote control is quite good. You're going to use small batteries, AAA, in here. And once the batteries are here, you can use the remote control to take pictures, or you can set the remote control for that, to take pictures or start shooting, and you can really use this remote control. I configure it to take pictures, and you can take pictures up to 100 meters. It's quite good. I think it's much better than that one from Nikon, that small little one. You're gonna see here in the side of the video a picture that I took pointing the remote control to the camera and hiding it from the camera so that you can see how good it is. So this is the Grip Meike. Actually, I don't know how to pronounce it because it's a Japanese word. If you know how to pronounce it, you can write down there. But it's very good. This grip for the camera turns the camera in a more comfortable way to hold and to shoot in this way. It's a very good one. I suggest to buy it. At least here in Brazil, devices like that are so expensive, and the original grip is almost 2,000 reais. It's a lot, and I bought it much less than that. So that's why I think it's worthwhile having or buying this Meike grip. Okay, this is it for now. This was a short video, and I hope you have enjoyed, and I hope to see you in the next video. See you, bye. Hello again, Internet. Well, I thought it could be a good idea to include in this short tutorial how you can set the remote control to work with the grip for the Nikon D750. The operation is quite simple. First of all, let's introduce the batteries, which it requires only 2 small batteries, AAA. Once the batteries are in the remote control, now here we have the number for the time, which can be adjusted and the same as the camera, or you can use this as a time shooting, something like that, a time lapse or something. Well, now before I start showing how to do that, let me just show you a very interesting function. The remote control is configured to just take pictures with this camera, but you can also set the remote control to start recording movies. And once you do that, you can use this button here, which is play and pause, and you don't actually have to go near the camera to start recording and pause the videos and you start recording again, which is quite handy. It's really handy. Well, that being said, let's move to the configuration per se. First of all, you have to change the channel. You have to change to channel 00. When you introduce the batteries, it comes with the channel 99. To see the channel, you have to press this button here. Now you have the channel 99 and you have to replace it for channel 00. Let's start doing that. You press the button set here in the middle. The first number 9 starts blinking. Now let's change it for number 0, pressing this upper button here, and then we have number 0. If you press this down button, the number will decrease, but we don't want that. We just want up because it's closer to number 9. Now let's change the other number 9. You press this left button here. Let's press it. Let's start blinking. Let's press set again because okay, let's press up here. Now the second number 9 is blinking, and the same way we're gonna press up, and then we have 00. We press set, and then the channel is ready to go. Now let's move on to the camera. Let's set the camera for that. Let's turn on the camera. Okay, camera is on. Let's press menu. Okay. Well, we have here in the option photo shooting menu the option for remote control mode ML-L3, which is off, by the way. So it's quite simple. We're going to go to the button OK, press the button OK, and let's go up for quick response mode. Let's press OK again. Now the signal is set to communicate with the remote control, and then you just take pictures. You can have up to 100 meters away from the camera. This control is really good. Now, if you want to make your life even easier, let's move on to the next option, to the next level. Well, let's go down here and let's go to my menu, as the French say. I don't know if they say like that, but I heard something like that once. Well, once you are in my menu, let's just include this option here, because once you have the grip, you're probably going to use this feature a lot. So here we have add items, and you can add this item the way I did. Let's find it here, remote control mode ML-L3, and then you have this option here in my menu ready to go once you need it. So this is it, the end of this tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed, and I hope to see you in the next video. See you!